Hey guys, welcome back to yet another very simple watercolor painting tutorial for absolute beginners. Today's plan. It's a very simple landscape with mountains and lake and some grassy land overlapping the lake. So we have three layers of mountains. The one in the back will have the weakest values. The second one will be a little darker than the previous one. And the third one, which is closer to us, will have the darkest of values. And finally we have the grassy land, which will surround the lake in such a way that the focus remains in the middle of the frame. This land area will have the darkest darks so that the viewer's attention goes straight to the mountains. So the plan is laid out. Now let's talk about the colors. For the mountains, the lake and the sky, we are using ultramarine blue. For the ground, we need neutral tint and some kind of green like undersea green, sap green, green gray, or anything else you have in your palette. There will be a very simple gradation for the lake. For the mountains, we are mixing ultramarine blue and buff titanium, which is kind of white, to make the blue color a little more thick and creamy. But before anything else, we'll lay down a very weak pink color underlay wash so that it unifies the whole scene. So this is why sketching is so important. It helps us understand the scene even better. Okay guys, enough talking. Now it's time to paint. I'll see you on the other side. So that's all, class. I hope you have created a masterpiece again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video if you did like it, and type down your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the reveal.